Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today's topic is addressing the needs of slow learners in a mixed ability classroom. In the modern day classroom, educators are faced with the challenge of catering to the different learning needs of students. This can be a daunting task, especially when students have different learning abilities. Firstly, let's address the definition of slow learners. Slow learners are students who have difficulties learning at the same pace as their peers. They require additional attention, patience, and support from teachers to attain the same academic achievements. To effectively address the needs of students who may require additional support in their learning journey, let us explore some proven strategies. Strategy number 1: multisensory learning experiences. In a mixed ability classroom, differentiated instructions can incorporate the use of visuals, hand-on activities, and cooperative learning. This approach can benefit slow learners by providing a more meaningful experience and understanding of difficult concepts. Number 2, providing scaffolding and support. Teacher can provide scaffolding and support to help slow learners develop their skills and understanding over time. This can include providing step-by-step guidance and breaking down complex tasks into simpler components. Number 3, graphic organizers and visual aids. Graphic organizers and visual aids can help slow learner more effectively organize information, make connections, and understand complex ideas. Number 4, assistive technologies. Teacher can also use assistive technologies such as text-to-speech, speech-to-text, or instructional software to support slow learners in completing assignments and accessing information. Number 5, frequent feedback. Often, slow learner requires feedback on their progress more frequently than fast learners. This can involve the use of the portfolio of evidence that can help to track progress towards objectives. Number 6, peer tutoring and collaboration. Teachers can pair slow learners with strong students for peer tutoring. This allows slow learners the opportunity to ask questions and get personalized attention from a peer. Number 7, setting achievable goals. By setting goals that are realistic and attainable, teacher can create a sense of motivation that inspires students to achieve their goals. Number 8, motivation. Motivation is crucial for student success, and slow learner has no exception. Teachers should strive to provide a positive learning environment for these students, which enhances their self-esteem and motivation levels. Number 9, extended time. Allow additional time for assignment and tests for slow learner who may need more time to process and complete tasks. Number 10, positive reinforcement. Celebrating small successes and rewarding students' progress encourages them to continue working hard. In conclusion, addressing the needs of slow learner in a mixed ability classroom is not an easy task, but it is an essential one. Teacher must adopt strategies that cater to individual learning needs, create a positive learning environment, and provide frequent feedback. By following these strategies, teacher can help slow learners attain success, improve their academic achievement, build their self-esteem, and shape their future. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.